For everyone asking about my turn cornmeal, come let me show you this one step by step. In a pot, I add 2 cups of coconut milk, 2 cups of water on low heat. While that's warming, I went ahead and chop up 2 stalks of scallion. Alright, so then we're going to add that to the pot. I'm going to add a few sprig of thyme leaf, and I also add some pimento seeds. I'm using 1 scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm going to pierce mine. You don't have to. Now I'm going to go in with some cock soup flavored mix. I like to sieve mine to remove the noodle, but you can keep them if that's your preference. Then I'm going to give everything a good mix. I'm going to add a piece of chiffon butter. The butter helps give it a smooth, silky texture. So if you don't like that, leave the butter out. Cover the pot and let that go and do its thing. In the meantime, add a cup and a half of refined cornmeal. This is where it gets tricky. If you don't like your turn cornmeal smooth, you like it rough, don't use refined cornmeal. Use coarse cornmeal. Pour in a little room temperature water, just enough to soak it. This step is important to me because it helps to loosen up the cornmeal. So when you add it to the pot, it's easier for mix. It not do too much. It not lump up, and do the most. It just give it a more smoother flow. So after about 30 to 45 minutes, when I rush the pot, we take good time. We are going and we taste the pot. I went ahead and I add some salt, and I also add a little sugar to the pot. Taste it again, and it was perfect. Now guys, before adding the cornmeal, remove the thyme and the pepper from the pot. Don't be like me, because trust me, me forget. Then you're going to slowly pour in the soaked cornmeal and stir continuously. Alright, so we're going to keep turning. This is key, guys. Stir until it reaches that desired texture. You can keep a bowl with water beside you, because each time you remove the spoon from the pot, you can just rest it in the bowl and rinse the spoon before adding it to the pot again. And after that, you cover the pot and just allow it for steam and low heat, because you have to allow the cornmeal to cook properly. Then you go back in occasionally, stir it, and then cover it again, and just like that, you have the perfect turn cornmeal. Guys, if you've made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, leave, no, I don't want to say, well, guys, the cookbook is linked in the bio, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye, guys.